Ki pulet ke anti narcotic task force rengkat bagi pulet jong kalat engkra. Habaki layo agi jingtip ke bati kena ki la let talasi ya ka kali kamai ke badan number ML not san ki saw lai nyau halat engkra. Bar yo kem ki sangut rengkat badu drugs. Kini ke belasya kem ki kentop yo Debujit Ghosh u badan bok marwen ka iba penhun marwen badu McDonald kong Malai. Bad na kini layo kurup ya u drug heroin u badan katlai point san gram. Sispa san flight tili ke jakat have drugs, lai tili ke mobile phone, bat eka kali ke bagi lapan kam. Ke anti narcotics task force kalau yo ban bat eka weka beriau ke belatip kerteng kum ke Deepika Roy. Ha katan na imkra bat gilayalam miki pulit sya ke yengsa jong ke Archana Roy. Bat layo ban kurup san punyo point san gram u heroin. Kapisa ke basilak kendai pesah wajar kendai sepak nyo pesan tengka bat ke weka mobile phone. Shosho ki pulit gila betengnya ke jing kenra ke yang sa jong ke Deepika ha nong remba lan mkra bar kliok ban kurup iki jing deng siar ba arspa san pun riau point lain gram u drug heroin uberan riau point gram bat kapisa ba kat kenda hajar tengka. Hakani ke miet ki pulit kliok ban kurup ya drug heroin ba sispa lai punyo point gram bat kapisa kemba arlak kat saw hajar pesan tengka. Bad ikini ke belasya akem ke bakentop ya langut ki kentai bat langut ki sinrang la pengat apa ki kendon jong ke NDPS Act.
Those private things, money you can take it out. Money you take it out. How do you? What? Current all this is not just see the money. Sekarang boleh tak? Sekarang this is what? This is everything personal money. Yeah, take it out one by one. Take the photograph. Who is taking the photograph? Please. Just take the photograph. Take the photograph, please.
I some space.
Take the photograph, please. चल निकलो भाई भाई with me one by one
Sir, let them take photographs and let them back off of it because this is our block, sir.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.